We use Demo 3D to emulate the products that we make so that customers can best understand the novel features that we bring to them and the uses that they can gain out of our equipment. What we like about Emulate 3D products is the combination of simplicity of use, so somebody can start using it right away, and then the complexity of the details that we can put in there with the physics that we can see to get deeper and deeper into it. It's kind of like peeling back the onion. You can get started with the product simply, and then you can get into it and get more and more detail as you go. Demo 3D definitely helps the sales process, and it helps the customer to visualize the product. It's amazing how we see a customer look at a 3D model of the product and just suddenly get it. The customer support that we get from Demo 3D is solid. The benefits we gain by using Demo 3D is both from a customer perspective and an internal perspective, being able to understand if the product's going to work, how the product's going to work, and then starting to write the code within the Emulate 3D program to see if the program's going to work in the future.
Well, we find Demo 3D to be very informative to the customer, whether it be an integrator or an end user. We find that the products that we supply are innovative solutions, and sometimes are hard to get your head around if you want to try to explain it to them. So having the ability to show a 3D model, a moving 3D model, really helps out with explaining your thought process and explaining the creative solutions that we have to be able to bring to the table. Working with Emulate 3D has been almost like an extension of our own organization. We find that the people and the customer service has been really more of a partnership than having a supplier supplying us with some sort of software product. So we do find it very enjoyable and very easy to work with them, which really helps as we're trying to go through the overall process of getting equipment out to our end users. Our most recent project was dealing with a buffering solution. We find that more and more people are having a hard time trying to minimize the overall system that they would implement within their organization and utilization of their building. So having the ability to understand a buffering solution and actually have the product moving around and identify what might happen in a traffic situation where you're having inputs and outputs and variable information that's being fed into a system is actually very, very helpful, and we found that to be extremely beneficial when we were laying out a full system with a lot of right angle transfers and specialty components, because it did help to utilize the equipment better and maintain for a smaller buffering area.
The experience we've had working with Demo 3D has been spectacular. Whenever our clients see Emulate 3D, they're always amazed at what can be done within the software. The physics that they see within the program and the gee whiz features that we see of boxes falling off conveyor when they're supposed to fall off conveyor, it's a showstopper within the presentation, and it really helps close the deal.